Today, we delve into the world of natural remedies, specifically for hot flushes during menopause. Menopause, a significant phase in every woman's life, often brings with it a few discomforts, one of which is hot flushes. This common symptom can sometimes turn the grace of maturity into a period of discomfort. But ladies, don't let this dampen your spirit. Why? Because there are a bounty of natural remedies that can help manage these hot flushes. This video is your guide to some of these solutions. We'll discuss 5 natural remedies that could make your journey through menopause a bit more comfortable. But remember, it is crucial to consult a healthcare provider for further evaluation if your symptoms are not resolving or if they are worsening. With that said, let's move on to our first remedy. First on our list is Black Cohosh, a plant native to North America. This perennial plant has been used for centuries, particularly by Native Americans, to manage a variety of health conditions. It's steeped in history and tradition, and one of its most common uses has been for women's health issues, including those related to menopause. Black Cohosh is often turned to as a natural remedy for hot flushes, one of the most common and sometimes challenging symptoms of menopause. But it's not just tradition that backs up this use. Modern science has also taken an interest in Black Cohosh, and research suggests it may indeed be effective in managing menopausal symptoms. Studies have shown that the root of the Black Cohosh plant contains substances that may help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flushes. It's thought to work by interacting with serotonin receptors in the brain, which play a role in regulating body temperature. But while the evidence is promising, it's crucial to approach the use of Black Cohosh responsibly. Like any remedy, natural or otherwise, it's important not to exceed recommended doses. Overconsumption can lead to side effects such as stomach upset and headaches. Additionally, if you're taking other medications, it's wise to seek professional advice before incorporating Black Cohosh into your routine. This is because it can interact with other substances and could potentially cause complications. Our second remedy is a practice, yoga. This ancient discipline, with roots tracing back thousands of years, is not only a physical exercise, but a holistic approach to health and wellness. It can help you manage your body's changes, including those that come with menopause. Yoga, in its essence, is about balance, balancing your mind, your body, and your spirit. It is believed that when these are in harmony, it's easier to handle life's stresses and challenges, including the physical changes brought on by menopause. One of the key benefits of yoga is stress management. Stress is often linked to increased severity of hot flushes, a common symptom of menopause. Yoga, with its focus on controlled breathing and mindfulness, can help calm the mind, reducing stress levels and subsequently the intensity of hot flushes. Yoga also aids in improving overall health. It helps maintain flexibility, strengthens muscles, and promotes better sleep, all of which can contribute to managing hot flushes effectively. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to yoga. There are various styles. Find out what works for you, what helps you feel more balanced, more calm, and more in control. Yoga, a wonderful practice for body and mind, might just be your go-to for hot flush relief. The final 3 remedies we have are soy, vitamin E, and flaxseed. These are all natural remedies that are helpful in managing hot flushes. Let's start with soy. This is a plant that's rich in phytoestrogens, compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. When your estrogen levels are running low, as they do during menopause, these phytoestrogens can help fill the gap, potentially easing hot flushes. You could add more soy to your diet through foods like tofu and soy milk. But remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything isn't great. Next we have vitamin E. This is an antioxidant that plays an important role in protecting your cells from damage. Some studies suggest that vitamin E might reduce the severity and frequency of hot flushes. You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, spinach, and sweet potatoes. It's also available as a supplement. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Lastly, let's talk about flaxseed. Much like soy, flaxseed contains lignans, which are a type of phytoestrogen. They can help balance your hormones, which may be beneficial in reducing hot flushes. Flax seeds also contain healthy fats and fiber, contributing to your overall health. Try sprinkling ground flaxseed on your cereal, stirring it into yogurt, or adding it to your favorite baked goods. So there you have it. Soy, with its estrogen-like compounds, vitamin E, with its antioxidant properties, and flaxseed, another great source of phytoestrogens. These are all natural options that you can incorporate into your diet to help manage hot flushes. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. So there you have it. 5 natural remedies to help you navigate through menopause and manage those pesky hot flushes. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. We started with Black Cohosh, a plant native to North America, known for its potential to ease symptoms like hot flushes and night sweats. Its benefits have been widely recognized in the world of herbal medicine. Next, we talked about yoga. More than just a physical exercise, yoga can be a calming practice that helps manage stress levels. Regular yoga sessions can provide a sense of balance and calm, which may help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flushes. We then moved on to dietary changes. Incorporating soy into your diet can offer relief due to its isoflavones, plant-based compounds that have estrogen-like effects. And don't forget about vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant has been studied for its potential to alleviate hot flushes. Finally, we discussed about flaxseed. Rich in dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed might help reduce menopausal symptoms. Its lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and estrogenic properties, may contribute to this beneficial effect. But remember, while these remedies are natural and generally safe, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider if your symptoms worsen or persist despite your efforts. Menopause is a significant transition in a woman's life, and it's important to approach it with care and awareness. Never hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. It's also worth reiterating that these remedies might not work the same way for everyone. What might be effective for one person might not be as beneficial for another, underscoring the importance of personalization and patience in this journey. Remember, each woman's journey through menopause is unique. Explore these remedies and find what works best for you. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.